Good morning, it's Jo here, and today we're looking at, does cloud technology assist learning? So what are the technical aspects of cloud technology? Well, there are a number of storage providers. That's really broken up into two parts. One is storage providers, which are Dropbox and Google Drive are the two that I use, although Amazon Web Services is huge in the United States. And information organization. For example, Wiki Spaces, YouTube, Facebook. And then there's the third part is shared programs. So for example, if you access a program and you have to access it via visiting someone's website, that is what's called a shared program, as opposed to downloading it onto the hard drive of your laptop or computer at home. So Zoho is huge, so is Salesforce. It's not actually loaded onto your computer but accessed through the internet. And there are lots of apps as well. So many of these shared programs also provide apps, so you can load the app straight onto your phone or iPad and load stuff up to the sky, to YouTube, Facebook or Soho, whatever, straight from your iPhone or iPad or Android. So what can cloud technology actually do? It enables you to store information on the web, and it breaks down physical barriers of storage on your own computer and enables you to have a backup. And now I first got into cloud technology because my home computer broke and I had no internet at home. Boom, it was a real problem for my business. And it enables your computer to network. And I imagine cloud technology is like a safety deposit box in the sky of my intellectual property, and it allows for easy storing of digital resources without fear of viruses, and enables you to organize those resources, which promotes sharing. And really, email shemale is actually, very old technology in a way compared to cloud technology. Email is actually makes things really quite hard, and it really repositions email, because if you can visit something like Google Forms or a wiki space where you comment and interact and collaborate with others under specific headings or pages, then it makes for very easy organization of materials, as opposed to email where stuff goes backwards and forwards and it's really hard to keep track of stuff, I find personally. So it makes it very efficient. And it's really an essential tool for collaboration, because if it's stored in the cloud, it can be accessed from anywhere. And the biggest plus for me is that it's paperless. So we're saving trees, guys, and creating a greener planet. So what is the definition of cloud computing? Well, in cloud networking, cloud computing is a phrase used to describe a variety of computing concepts that involve a large number of computers connected through a communication channel such as the internet. In common usage, the term the cloud is essentially a metaphor for the internet. So what is the structure of cloud technology? Well, you basically sign up and then you save, edit and publish your stuff and obtain a web address for sharing and embedding in other online spaces. And you can actually save your documents straight up there as well, which I do from my computer. And my phone is even connected to Dropbox, so all my photos I take on my phone gets shared up as well. So what are the learning outcomes that it supports? For the teacher, it's basically you have to organize and work out how you want to use it, what file format do you want to use, and what forms do you want to use, for example. What do you want to download? What do you want to upload? It's a great way for you as a teacher to organize all your resources online so you can access them as need be. And for the student, it's really about civic success and keeping track of your stuff. It's really about archiving, I'm finding personally now, is just keeping track of stuff. And so for the teacher, it can be a central database of resources, and for the student, it can be a way to upload their own assignments to it. So I worked for a business a little while ago where everyone uploaded their daily tracking sheets straight onto Dropbox. So easy organized, you just go into that individual's folder and access their stuff rather than trying to keep track of it on 100 web emails, for example. So what is the positives? It's real world, paperless, great organization, great backup facility, ability to be shared digitally. Everything's in one place. It's all about digital citizenships and no maintenance costs. Awesome. You don't have to worry about viruses, maintenance, all that sort of stuff. It's, their responsibility. The minuses is really the fear of the unseen. A lot of people feel uncomfortable because you can't, you can't hold on to your computer and go, all my stuff is in here. It's actually up in the cloud. If you can get over that, where is it, you'll be fine. And fear of your information that you store in the cloud being stolen, well, I figure, if someone really wants to find out about Joe's notes on my lectures, well, good luck to them. But I don't store anything personal in terms of my credit card details anywhere in the cloud ever. So it's about also keeping your identity safe, and just the costs. If you end up with heaps of stuff up there, then it's gonna, you're gonna start incurring storage costs. Implications are that it's really the way of the future, and it's multi-layered learning potential and saving the planet through lack of paper. And it's really the responsibility lies with the provider, as I said. So let's view this tool through the SEMA lens. Well, really, students could create a Word document on Google Drive. Then they could publish that and set sharing settings for others to contribute on Google. Then the teacher could create a quiz using Google Forms, which is shared to the class. And then the teacher could also create a Word document for group editing over time, which is in Google Drive, similar to Wikispaces. So really enables us. So I guess in summary, cloud technology is a foundation upon which all these things that we're learning about exist, from blogging and Wikispaces and Google Drive. If you don't have cloud technology, none of this will work. It'll be a pack of cards that fall over. Anyway, thanks for listening today. Talk soon. Bye.